Hi, welcome to Phonespeak voicemail tutorial. First, log into account.phonespeak.com with your credentials. On the left panel, click on Users, and locate your username on the right. Click on My Voicemail tab. Here, you can choose to record, upload or type. For this, I will choose type and it will convert text to speech. A new window will pop up. Put in a voicemail name for this followed by the message. Remember to click Save once is done. Click at the play button to listen to the message and check the options below. Now, you're set for voicemail. To access your voicemail, make sure you have your voicemail PIN code, which you can find at the Profile tab. Scroll down and you can see My Voicemail PIN. Another way to check your voicemail is to dial from your Phonespeak application. Dial *9 8 and call. Thank you for using Phonespeak and have a good day.